We spend a lot of time inside the home or office. Poor indoor air quality can be a real issue, especially for people with asthma or allergies, not to mention everyone else when colds, flus, germs, and even odours are brought in from outside. Traditional air purifiers can be less effective as most are designed for a single room. So let's take a glimpse into the new era of whole home and office air purification at Ford & Doonan. Introducing the Halo LED, the industry's first in-duct air purification system. Simply and conveniently installed out of sight inside your ducted air conditioner, the Halo LED uses revolutionary technology to actively purify the air, reducing airborne and surface contaminants, keeping your family or employees safe whenever the air conditioner is running on whatever mode it's set to. Tim, the Halo LED, it's so much smaller than expected.
Well, that's because there's no dirty or contaminated filters to change or clean. There's also no chemical byproducts. It works by an oxidation process, which means that it's ultra low in energy consumption.
So there's no regular maintenance needed?
No, none at all.
And it operates whenever the air conditioner is switched on?
That's correct. The LED globe wouldn't operate 24/7, so you can get 4 years or even up to 5 years before having to replace it.
Whilst this new technology has just arrived in Western Australia, the Halo LED has been proven and tested internationally with over 4 million satisfied customers and is now available at Ford & Doonan. For more information, visit one of their 11 showrooms in Perth or the Southwest, or head to their website at fordanddoonan.com.au.